Imagine the life you've always dreamt of, a daily feast prepared for you, waking up on a lavish king-size bed, taking a refreshing waterfall shower, lounging in a spacious living and study area, and creating culinary masterpieces in a gourmet kitchen. And that's just the beginning. Welcome to Beaumont Fee LN1, a redefining student accommodation right in the heart of Lincoln, offering an exquisite range of fully furnished private ensuite apartments. Open your bedroom door and you'll be greeted by a king-size bed, spacious wardrobe, dedicated study station, luxury ensuite bathroom, and your very own fully equipped kitchenette. Stay on top of your fitness goals with a 24/7 gym, or socialize in the epic shared lounges and enjoy the latest blockbusters in the private cinema room. For gaming enthusiasts, the sleek game rooms are a haven for endless fun and friendly competition. Stepping out of your front door, you're just a short 12-minute stroll from the prestigious University of Lincoln. And when hunger calls, take a 1-minute walk to find 3 fantastic restaurants right at your doorstep. For your daily commute, the Revolution bus stop is a quick 2-minute walk away, connecting you to all your city adventures. This, my friends, is what we like to call a dream deal. So why wait? Seize this opportunity now at amberstudent.com and let Beaumont Fee LN1 become your dream home in the heart of Lincoln.